3, 2, 1, boom. What's going on? We're singing here in your next country on this European tour. I'm in Germany with my homegirl Lulu. She's on stage right now. We got quite a few people here for our master class. I'm gonna bring you into it to check her out real quick and come see what we're doing. She's one of the most popular instructors here in town. The town name is T-I-E-R, Trier. My German's bad like every other language. Look at Michelle in the background. This is Lulu. You know what I'm saying? Crazy Socks TV. You know what I'm saying? Woo. German girls is crazy. Believe that. Just so you know, Lulu hails from the great country of Colombia. Just like the queen of Zumba, Beto Perez. Holla at your boy. Woo! Lulu, holla at your boy, Crazy Socks.